Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the workbook and enabling editing so Excel lets you inspect everything. Once done, check for hidden sheets. Home right arrow format right arrow hide and unhide right arrow unhide, or press Alt plus F11 to view sheets in VBA. Next, use Ctrl plus F to search for a unique term across the workbook. Choose Options and set within Workbook to find which sheet contains it. These steps get you immediate visibility into where data lives and which sheets are hidden or protected. Once you can see sheets, map where the actual data sits. Press F5, choose Special, then Constants or Formulas to highlight populated cells. This tells you used ranges fast. Then open Name Manager to find named ranges that reference different sheets. They often reveal the real source. Also inspect data right arrow queries and connections and edit links to find any external workbooks feeding values. Make sure to expand collapsed rows and filter columns to reveal masked data during this exploration. Finish by confirming what you found. Run file right arrow info right arrow check for issues right arrow inspect document to catch hidden content, comments, or custom XML. If you need to secure content, protect or unprotect sheets only after verifying exact locations so you don't lock needed areas. If a sheet still seems missing, search VBA modules for worksheets. Add or references and check edit links for broken workbook references. Troubleshooting tip. If data disappears, restore from a recent backup or use version history to recover the sheet quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.